Hey everybody, happy spring. It's a beautiful day here in Gloucester, Massachusetts. It's about the first good day we've had in a week. It's rained basically all last week. We even had a little touch of snow. I believe Worcester, Mass got like 6 inches of snow on April 12th. That's unbelievable. But it happened in 2021, I believe, as well. So it's not abnormal. So here we are, beautiful day, and what I want to do today is a miscellaneous video showing what I've been up to along with working with the van a little bit. Hey everybody, Mike Chipperini, Chipper's Island Adventures, and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do this quick video like I was saying, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing along with doing a little bit on the van today. And one of the things that I've been doing is working on this bedroom, and it's pretty much done. And I'm going to show you what I did here. If you've been following along with any of my renovation project, you know I ripped apart all the trim. I pulled out the closet doors and pulled out all the closet shelving and everything along with the window trim. So I'm going to show you what I did. As you can see, it's all new baseboard all the way around. New trim going all around the door. The bookcase I had to pull out and redo this switching area so that it was here instead of up against the wall of it. So I pulled it around so it's a lot easier to access. And then I went ahead and retrimmed all along that, along with the top. A brand new hardwood floor. This is 3/4 inch red oak flooring, pre-finished, so that's all put in. I also had to redo the window trim. So this window trim is custom. I had to order it because it's arched, and it went from 2.5 to 3.5 inch colonial. But when you do that, you also have to make bigger sills because it comes out further. So these are all brand new sills I put in on both windows. This window over here, which is kind of covered up right now, but you can see it's all brand new trim all around. And then this is a brand new closet doors with brand new trim again. And these are closet doors that have a magnetic latch on them on the top. So if you open it up, you can see the magnetic latch here. And they work pretty good. And now you can see I redid, this is all custom made shelving I did and installed it, along with 2 closet poles, one on either side, and new trim, new baseboard all along the bottom. So I think it's looking pretty good. I'm real happy with the way this bedroom is looking now. I have one last thing to do in here, which is paint. I want to put another fresh coat of paint on the bookcase, and I got to touch up a little bit of the baseboard that I just installed and filled in the nail holes. So you can see up here, I don't know if you can see, but there's nail holes on this trim, and I just got to touch it up because this is already painted. So I'll go ahead and touch it up a lot, along with giving the whole bookcase a fresh coat. And that's one of the main things I've been working on during the winter months. And like I said, I usually pick away at a project. It's not like I work on this every day. On the weekends, I try to scale it back a little bit. And right now, I'm really itching to get outside and work on the property because we have had a lot of rain. And you can see right now outside, it's looking pretty nice. So one of my first projects today, after running errands this morning, is I'm going to address the van. I need to get some water on board. So let's go take care of that. If you watched my last video on my 3 favorite mods, I just want to show you something. We have had a tough week of rain. last week. And today's the first sunny day we've had where it's really good bright sun. And without being plugged in or anything, look at these numbers. My chassis battery is 13.2, 13, and my house battery is 13.1. That just goes to show, and that is largely on the chassis battery because of that solar trickle charger. But today, as everybody would probably agree, a good sign of spring is when you fill up your fresh water tank. And what I'm going to do is do that right now. I've already made sure that all my valves are in the right position underneath the bunk. And I'm going to go ahead and set the settings on the Nautilus panel, hook up a hose, and get some fresh water on board. So right now I have my Nautilus plant panel set to power fill, and I have an inline filter attached to the spigot along with my fresh water hose. And I'm going to go ahead and put the water in there now, and I'm going to fill it up to about halfway full. That's about it today. And so right now that water's going in, and what this will do is give me enough water so I can use the bathroom should I need to, but also I can check the water pump, I can flush out the lines, get all that squared away, along with check for any leaks that may occur, which, cross your fingers, will not. So that's basically what we're doing today. Put enough water in the tank, say about half full, and then ride around, let it slosh around for a week or two, and then maybe put some sanitizer in after that, let it slosh around for a day or two, and then we'll put in the real good fresh water using my double water filter, which I'll show you when the time comes. So while I'm winding up my hose, I just wanted to say that first off, I overfilled the tank. It did fill to the top, but that's all right. But one of the things I did is I ordered an aluminous ladder. And that is a ladder with a spare tire carrier on it. And this is something that I've wanted for a while. I feel a lot better knowing that it's on the way. But what I didn't know, just in case you order one, is there is a 3 to 6 week lead time. And what it is that they basically make their product to order. So once you put the order in, you're looking at 3 to 6 weeks before you receive it, give or take. I didn't know that. I thought they had them in stock. You put the order in and boom, it's in the mail in another day or a week or two. So little glitch there, but once that comes in, it's going to make a great video, because I feel a lot better if I had a spare tire on board my rig when driving. And plus, I don't like the ladder that came with the Travato anyway, so that's one of the things. So I got my hose wound up. I'm going to go ahead and put it away, and then we're going to take a look and see what we have as far as the water pump working and all that good stuff. Okay, so the time has come to check and see if everything works. I got a lot of water on board. I'm going to put the pump on. Pump is working. I'm going to let it run because I'm sure it needs to fill up. And there may be some water going into the Truma water tank. So we'll let that do its thing. And meanwhile, I'm going to look underneath at the Truma to make sure nothing's coming out underneath there. Water pump is still running. And that looks good all in here. And I can see water is going into the Truma, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on some water here. Let's see what we have. Now, one of the things I did when I winterized, I not only blew out the lines, but I also put the pink stuff in. So this is gonna happen. I'm gonna get a lot of air in the lines while I'm doing this. So I'll go ahead and turn the camera off for now while it's working its way through it. And then we'll go ahead and I'll show you what I have. Okay, change of plan. What I did is I went ahead and hooked up the water again, and I'm going to use city water to flush out my lines. That makes sense to me. Instead of using the tank water and trying to fill up the lines, I'm going to do it the quick way and use the city water to do it, and that works a lot better. So I've already got the water hose hooked up. We'll go up to the sink here and see what happens. And I'll let that run clear. Now the other side is, this is the hot, so we're going to get a lot of action in here. A lot of air. So it's going to push out all that whatever. I don't have antifreeze in the water tank, but that water tank has to fill up, and that'll blow out whatever's in the lines. I'll clean out the lines. So right now the water tank, I believe, is filling up. Okay, so this is the cold side, this is the hot side. Both are flowing pretty clean. Now I'm going to do the shower. All right, so I guess that's the better way to do it. Go ahead and hook up the city water and flush out the air and the pink stuff out of the lines before you really want to run that water pump. That way there, you don't have to sit there waiting for the water pump to take care of the business that you can do with the city water. So with that said, that's about it for today. I'm eagerly awaiting that alumnus, however you say that, the alumnus or the alumnus ladder to come in so I can put that up. Today I was scoping out the price on Michelin Agilis tires, so I got some things coming up. I really would feel a lot better just having a spare on the back of this thing and a better ladder. So hey, that's it for today. If you like this video, feel free to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. All the best to all, and happy adventures.